everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video, and as you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing some cleaning around the home. So hopefully this video will give you some cleaning motivation to tackle the tasks around your home that you have been avoiding. So let's dive right in. So many of you have probably noticed that I have not been posting as many cleaning videos on my channel for some time now. That's because I'm pregnant and I am due to give birth any minute from now, and I have officially begun the nesting phase. So everything is getting tackled. I don't know where this energy is coming from because I've really struggled throughout this pregnancy. I've just been really tired, so hence why there have not been that many videos. But I finally found the energy right now, and I'm cleaning all the doors. So hopefully you guys will get some motivation as well to tackle some of those tasks around your home that you have been avoiding to do. One of the tasks that I've been wanting to do is to clean my sofa. I've just got these little random little marks and just little stains here and there that really need some attention, and luckily, like I said, like these ones, as you can see, they're just little water ones. Already have a 2-year-old, and I already find that he gives me enough things to clean around the home. So finding the time to tackle these is really strange because I feel like I've got more energy at night. So when everybody's gone to bed, this is when I tackle this task. So removing these things on this sofa. I'm using the cleaning product that came with the sofas, just how to clean and remove any marks and stuff. I just use their cleaning products, so I can't really recommend any cleaning things for your sofa at the moment. So now onto the kitchen, and I've also been really enjoying washing dishes. I'm not sure why, but again, I've got the energy for it, so I'm going to be washing those up. And I'm also going to tackle my dishwasher, so I'm going to show you how I clean the inside of my dishwasher. So if you have not tackled that in some time, hopefully this video will motivate you to get that done. I'm now gonna tackle the filters. This is one thing that I missed doing the previous week when I was cleaning the dishwasher. I just did the outside because I didn't have the energy, but now I'm going to focus on the filters themselves. And yeah, this is the real mess that obviously you don't notice, but if you look around the edges and the rim of the filter, that's where like all the grease gets collected up. So what I'm going to use is fairy washing up liquid. You could put like a little, do it in a dish, but I just don't have the energy, so I'm trying to do it as much and as quickly as I can. But yeah, so just doing the filter and just using my scrubbing brush that fits inside the filters as well is amazing. I also find that it really gets into the greasy parts on the outside of the filter and inside, and as you can see, look at that, all of that grease that was actually hidden inside there. So yeah. So look at this part. So this was the inside of the filter, and here I thought my dishwasher was clean, but as you can see, this is all the grease that's been building up. And what I'm going to use is a bit of paper towel just to like get rid of all the grease that's building up over there. And yeah, it's not pretty at all, is it? So if you have not tackled your dishwasher, this is what is waiting for you. So go and tackle that if you haven't already. And I'm going to use fairy washing up liquid again just to remove all the grease. And that's with everything finally deep cleaned, and I'm just putting everything back in the dishwasher. I'm happy with how everything has turned out, so that's off my to-do list. Now, so I'm going to do the radiators now using my I've been wanting to get these done again because it's autumn, so I'm going to be turning on the radiator soon, especially when the baby comes. So I'm just using the duster just to ensure that any dust that's there that's been building up officially comes off. And then I'm just going to clean the radiators with whatever cleaning product you want to use, and I'm just going to wipe and make sure that everything is officially dust free and ready for me to officially turn the radiators on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and look forward to more content, and I will see you soon. You have a lovely day. Bye.